Et bonjour à tous mes petits amis, on se retrouve pour ce nouvel épisode de The Wolf Among Us, le loup parmi nous. On est à l'épisode 5, donc c'est le dernier. Après je sais pas s'il y aura une saison 2 qui est prévue ou quoi que ce soit. En tout cas je sais qu'il y a un jeu Game of Thrones. Pardon. On va commencer l'épisode 5 sans trêve de bavardage, ça ne veut rien dire. Allez c'est parti.
I mean, your eyes and the teeth. You're not really supposed to do that, are you?
Not if I can avoid it.
Holly's sister, Lily.
I just don't know what Bigby's doing. If he cares about it. If he even gives a shit.
That's why you can't tell me anything. It's the ribbon, isn't it?
We're destroying the tree. No!
We're not burning the tree, Snow.
Hey, you're not really gonna send me to the farm, are you?
Look, maybe a few will get sent up, but you're my friend, Colin. I wouldn't do that to you.
Oh God, Bigby!
This time was no joke. Eat as many metal shellings as you see fit, but take just one more silver round near your heart, and the only place I'll be visiting you is the morgue.
Bigby, wait. When you get the Crooked Man, make sure you bring him back alive. He has to stand trial.
Why don't you have a seat, Sheriff? We have a great deal to discuss.
Ah mais ce générique! Faudrait que j'aille voir s'il n'y a pas une BO qui existe quelque part.
You've come a long way. You must be tired. And if my envoys are correct, you haven't had a lot of rest recently. Please, Sheriff, relax for a moment, will you? Do you want a drink? Something to eat? Vivian makes a very nice, it's elegant. Really a carpaccio. It's lobster, sirloin.
Got a scotch?
Only Tennessee whiskey. Unfortunately.
Bordel de merde.
What do you think you're doing?
He's gonna...
Mr. Wolf is our guest, and I have every intention of cooperating. So don't waste the silver. Sit down, Jersey. Well,
Stupid Jersey.
For the sake of transparency, why don't you tell us why you're here? It would help settle everyone's nerves, I think.
Vous avez essayé de me tuer?
Forget what happened at the Pudding and Pie. You and your goons tried to kill me.
I'm truly sorry for that whole debacle. It was not my intention to put you or Miss White in any sort of danger. My wish was to take Crane, Sheriff. And as soon as the assignment grew out of control, I put a stop to it. I know that that doesn't change what happened to you. And I can only offer my sincerest apologies.
You didn't stop it out of the kindness of your heart. You stopped it because Snow White offered up Crane.
That may have appeared to you to be the case, but I assure you, it wasn't. And I
Même
hope
si
you
j'ai pas de bonne
believe me when I
excuse.
say, Sheriff,
Malheureux.
I sincerely mean to make it up to you. The recent murders that have gotten such attention as of late, I don't relish telling you that they were perpetrated by an employee of mine. It's a very unfortunate bit of business, but I promise you that the matter will be dealt with internally. I just want to settle the issue for you, and to assure you that it's over with.
An unfortunate bit of business? You're gonna tell me right now who killed him?
Sheriff, I have complete respect for you and your job. I hope you know that. But I simply can't divulge that information.
Ça te rend complice.
You really
je peux te
shouldn't
foutre en
worry
prison pour ça.
yourself. As I said, I've got this under control.
No, I'm gonna deal with it right
Même ta moustache est hors de contrôle.
Right. What do you think this is? Some kind of negotiation?
Tu veux que je te tue toi aussi? Bitch.
The man said he'd take care of it.
Bleh.
You know who did it. Now tell me.
No fucking way I'm telling you anything! After what you did!
That's enough! I was hoping it wouldn't come to this, but in the interest of preserving our alliance, if you have to know, it was Georgie.
Non, non, tu mens.
However, like I said, I'll be handling the matter if you don't mind.
Georgie.
You got what you wanted, so just
sit.
Ça pue tellement de la fausse information, quoi.
Yeah, I killed him, so what? You should have just kept your nose where it fucking belonged.
Why'd you do it? Why kill them?
Does it matter?
Look, the fact is...
Oui?
George
mobile, quelque chose?
misinterpreted one of my instructions.
Misinterpreted?
And I want to make things right. So, let's work something out.
What's there to work out? I'm protected, aren't I?
Your protection has limits, and I think you've far exceeded yours. But you could murder someone in cold blood like that.
You fucking asked me to do this.
And then
you told me
attempt to
kill
blame
him.
me for it.
Vous êtes en train de dire à voix haute que vous êtes tous les deux coupables de meurtre. Hein.
This is right bollocks, sis. You're just gonna let him do this?
Non.
So what do you say, Sheriff? Can we discuss terms?
Tu viens de dire que t'étais coupable.
Consider it a gift, ensuring our continued cooperation.
I think I'll be taking both of you.
You're not taking me, you fucking ponce. What the fuck is this shit? You said you'd cover for us.
For minor infractions, not murder.
just go with him, Georgie. You're gonna sink us all.
What's wrong with you people? You're really gonna sell him out just like that?
You think I give a fuck if I'm the one? Who the shit do you think you fuckers are?
Get the fuck out of here!
I do apologize, Sheriff, but I think it's best if you leave now.
There's no way I'm going with him.
C'est la loi, mec.
Things are about to get unpleasant, and I would rather you weren't here to watch.
Mais je vais te péter ta gueule,
You can
toi.
go join that whore at the bottom of the lake for all I give a shit. But he's not taking me anywhere. I'll roll over on the lot of you before I let that shit happen.
What are you saying?
I already told you. I'm taking both of you in, so let's go.
This could have gone so well.
Bah ouais, mais tu coopères pas au plus.
To speak the truth, I've never been a very good mediator. Why
Je vois ça.
negotiate when you can just decide?
Oh là, je vais te péter ta gueule, toi.
Did I miss anything good?
Je vais t'arracher ta gueule.
Well, look at you, all fixed up.
Ouf, d'accord. Là, vous vous rendez tous complices de meurtre. Hein. Allez, on y va.
Over here.
Raté.
You're done, Wolf.
Come on.
C'est sûr.
Much done here.
Oh, bordel.
I'd like to say it was nice knowing you, but I'll be glad to see your insides turned out.
Ah, lol. T'as tué ton pote, t'as tué ton pote. Viens moi.
Oh god.
Allez, toi maintenant j'en ai marre aussi. Raté. Dégage. Finish him. Alors les lopettes, on a peur? J'arrive.
Come on, Georgia. Oh, shit.
I know.
Coucou. Vous êtes tous complices de meurtre. Je suis méga complice de meurtre là. Alors qu'est-ce que tu fais avec ce bidon d'oromotrice à l'arrière là? Ah merde. Qu'est-ce que je dois faire? Qu'est-ce que je dois faire? Raté. Oh putain, c'est génial cette séquence. Oh putain, il est énervé Big Bill. Là, le trompe-l'œil mes fesses. Hein. Yeah. Où qu'ils sont? Ils sont là. Je suis pas plus haut que ça pour un loup-garou quoi. Ah quand même. C'est pas un loup-garou à la base, mais en fait c'est un loup. Oui. Allez, t'y es là. Prends un peu d'élan, on fait attention aux voitures quand même. Ya.
Fuck! What was that?
Ouais, d'après toi, c'est moi. Je t'aurai plus tard, toi t'inquiète. Ça te fait. Veuillez coopérer s'il vous plaît. Carglass remplace. C'est un peu plus gros qu'un impact d'une pièce de 2 €. Allez. Allez, on y croit. Ah. Là, tu te rends méga coupable de crime. Allez, Big B, on y croit. En bouche, en popotin. C'était une impasse.
Gun it.
Are you sure?
Do it.
Par contre, j'ai plus les sous-titres là. Bizarre.
He's not moving.
Keep going.
Je savais pas trop s'il fallait rester au milieu. Mais je pense qu'un impact de voiture, ça me ferait un peu mal quand même. Ah, vous êtes trop bien cachés les mecs. Je vous aurais jamais retrouvé là-dedans. Quelle chance, c'est exactement mes fringues. Et à la bonne taille en plus. Et il y avait même une cravate. Alors, ce qu'on va faire déjà, c'est enlever, me mettre hors ligne, parce que sinon tout le monde apparaît sur l'écran, je pense que c'est un petit peu embêtant. Alors, regardons tout ça. Je pense qu'ils étaient à l'intérieur de cette voiture. Quelqu'un peut m'expliquer pourquoi je perds du temps avec ça, quoi? Putain, panda. Cette maison de paille, succès déverrouillé.
Come on, we can't stay here.
Georgie, je viens de péter la gueule.
Can you stand up? It's okay. Take your time. Slowly.
It's no fucking use. No way I'm walking out of here. Well, it won't be your fault.
J'essaie d'espionner un peu, voir si... S'il lâche pas des informations. Bon, allez, j'y vais. Salut les complices de meurtre.
Shit. Hello, Big B. I hoped you'd come to your senses.
Je suis revenu à la raison.
Crooked Man's the one you want. But of course, you're too much of an idiot to see that. Or maybe you just like me too much to let me go.
I'm taking you in, Georgie.
Non mais en fait, je vais tous vous attraper. C'est le plan en fait. Vous êtes tous des connards.
Please, Sheriff. Haven't you done enough? Look at him. He's
voilà, je t'arrêterai aussi vu que tu as essayé de me stopper.
Go ahead.
Ben oui.
It isn't his fault.
He's a murderer.
Si.
Faith and Lily, he's the reason they're dead.
Look, I know he made a few mistakes. We all have.
Des
He
erreurs.
made sure they couldn't talk with those damn ribbons, and then he killed them. You're wearing one yourself. Doesn't that bother you even a little, knowing that man murdered?
Of course it does. Those girls.
So it's all my fucking fault then. You fucking. You're gonna throw me to the fucking wolf too? You know I didn't have a goddamn choice. What the fuck? I did what I had to! You can't fucking blame me for that.
Look,
sometimes you just have to do what you're told.
You didn't have to do anything.
Like hell I didn't. Look, Faith and the others tried to pull a run on us. And as you can imagine, the Crooked Man wasn't too thrilled. But of course, the big boss didn't want to get his fucking hands dirty. So he told me to take care of it. You think I don't know what that means? Either I do what he says or I'm the one getting dealt with. So I fucking killed him. And I'd do it again.
Voilà.
Cause
C'est pour
it's
ça en
not
fait
my
que
fault.
tu...
The Crooked Man gave the order.
Mais
He
c'est
told
ta
me to
faute.
kill them.
T'as tué
And
des
then
gens.
he fucking sold me out.
You're still the one who pulled the trigger.
Pourquoi la logique de ces personnes est complètement stupide?
Fine. Believe what you want. I can tell you've made up your mind. Doesn't matter if it's fucking true or not.
Y'a que moi que ça choque que sa défense on m'a forcé à le faire, mais je les ai tués quand même.
It won't free your friend Narissa. And I'm just the sap taking the fall for the whole thing. It must be so easy being you. Just come in here and blame me for all this shit. Job's done, right? George is the bad guy. It's all his fucking fault.
Tu es complice de meurtre. Arrêtez d'être stupide. Ne pas les tuer.
How could you know?
You could have done anything else. You could have let them go. You could have freed Faith and Lily from those fucking ribbons instead of murdering them.
You don't know what the fuck you're talking about. If I freed them...
Oui.
What would you have me do? Kill her?
Georgie, don't.
It was them or Vivian. So you tell me, if freeing Lily meant she had to die, do you still think I had a fucking choice?
What are you talking about?
This is the original.
Oh.
The girl with the ribbon. I'm sure you've heard the stories. Couldn't take it off, couldn't talk about it. She used her little purple ribbon to make more of them. To keep our girls quiet. To ensure absolute discretion.
You promised you wouldn't.
All that magic is connected to this little thing. You remove hers, and the spell's broken. They're all free. But you know what happens to her? The same thing that happened to Faith. So don't you come in here and tell me I fucked up.
What the hell, Georgie?
Si.
We were supposed to look out for each other. I trusted you.
You can't fucking blame me. You're not innocent here either.
Wait,
voilà.
So you've been helping this asshole? I thought you cared about them.
I do. Of course I do. You have to understand, nobody was supposed to die. When we built this place, it was just a stupid idea. A gimmick. Discretion is our guarantee. That's how it started anyway. This was supposed to be our place. We were gonna be in charge for once, and nobody would try to control us or use us. That was the point. Then the Crooked Man showed up and everything just turned to shit.
So, do you get it now? Why I couldn't just... If you still think it's so fucking simple, then you do it. Go right ahead. Kill her then.
What are you doing?
Break the spell.
Why should you get to decide? Either of you. You think this is hard for you? My life is such a fucking burden on your conscience. Don't I get a say?
No.
It's my life. Like it was either of yours to give up in the first place.
You don't get a choice if you're involved in this.
Vous préférez tuer plein de gens plutôt que sacrifier une personne?
I'm sick of everyone thinking that they can just do what they want with my life. I thought it would be different here. But it's all the fucking same.
Vivian, I didn't mean...
Do you think I wanted to be this person? What I did to Faith and Lily? To all of them?
Vivian, wait.
Every day I have to look Gwen and Hans in the eye and pretend I don't care. I have to forget what I've done to them, what I took away from them. I look at Nerissa and I hate myself.
Vivian.
I can't pretend anymore.
What are you doing?
Vivian, don't. Vivian, no! Fuck! No, 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 no! Why'd you have to do that, Vivian? Vivian! Shit!
It's for the best. Now Nerissa and the others can be free.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
C'est toi qui as tué des filles.
Vivian, I didn't fucking mean it. I was just... Oh!
Pie!
Oh, fuck!
Get up. Get
Il
up!
va avoir un peu de mal, je pense.
Think so, Bigby. I'm gonna die here. I think we both know that. Just make sure you give the Crooked Man the same treatment when you find him.
C'est prévu.
Really fuck him up for me, alright?
He's gonna have it worse. Don't worry.
Charlie se souviendra de ça dans sa mort.
Old foundry by the river, alright? Shepherd Metal Works. He'll be there. Fucking asshole. You wanna finish me off now? Or do you plan to kick me around a little first? Rip my limbs off one by one? That's what you wanna do, right?
Tu vas avoir le silence.
Just get it over with. I'm not sticking around for much longer.
Même dans la mort, ils peuvent pas s'empêcher d'être des connards tous. C'est impressionnant.
No more games, alright? We both know how this ends. Just make it quick.
Non, lol. En fait, il faut que vous compreniez que depuis 5 épisodes, tous les persos sont des gros cons. Et je peux pas sympathiser avec eux, quoi. Je peux pas me dire, ah le pauvre, non, 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 vous m'avez cassé les burnes tout le long des épisodes. Vous m'avez traité comme de la merde. Vous aurez de la merde. Oui, je sais que c'est froid, mais je suis le grand méchant loup. Il est temps que je corresponde à ma légende. Alors, donc il me semble qu'on a eu un nouvel... Je sais que là il va se passer un gros climax à la fin, mais on va aller voir le livre avant tout ce bazar. Non, c'est pas ça que je voulais faire. Alors, Viviane. La fille ruban. Viviane fut la première à subir la malédiction du ruban violet. Se séparer de son ruban reviendrait à sceller sa propre mort, et en parler lui devient impossible à cause de cette même malédiction. La vie suivant son cours, elle essaya d'abord une vie normale. Elle finit par se marier avec un gentilhomme, mais ce dernier ne pouvait s'empêcher d'être intrigué par ces bouts de tissu enroulés autour du cou de sa bien-aimée. Malgré les demandes de Viviane de laisser ce ruban tranquille, c'est par une nuit comme les autres qu'il tenta de lui enlever. Alors qu'il tirait délicatement l'extrémité de la bande, Viviane se réveilla et vit ce que son mari était en train de faire. Dans la panique qui suivit cette vision, elle le bouscula, évitant ainsi au nœud de se défaire. Furieuse, elle tenta de lui faire comprendre ce que de tels gestes impliqueraient, mais son mari ne voulait rien entendre. Elle réalisa alors qu'elle ne pourrait jamais lui faire confiance et s'en alla. Elle vécut seule le reste de ses jours dans les royaumes, préférant le confort de sa solitude au risque d'une autre trahison. Le club pudding, et on connaît ça le club pudding. Viviane et Georgie se rencontrèrent durant le grand exode des royaumes. Depuis ce jour, ils s'aidèrent l'un et l'autre à survivre lors du long voyage qui les amena jusqu'au monde des communs. À leur arrivée, ils se rendirent vite compte qu'il serait difficile de vivre tel qu'ils le voudraient. Avec le peu d'argent qui leur restait, ils ouvrirent le Pudding and Pie. Gérer un club de striptease n'était peut-être pas le travail rêvé, mais ils décidèrent qu'il était plus judicieux de tenir un tel endroit plutôt que de travailler dans la tristesse et la solitude, et d'exploiter les gens et leur mettre des rubans pour qu'ils ne parlent pas et qu'ils meurent dans notre souffrance, oui. Toujours pas plus sympathique pour moi, je suis désolé, je ne sympathise pas avec ces personnages. C'est un choix. Allez, c'est reparti. Alors, il y a des choses à vérifier par là. Est-ce qu'il a fait caca dans sa voiture?
Still warm. He's here, all right.
Ça va chier pour ta gueule. Y'a rien dans le coin? Non, c'est bon. Allez, c'est parti. Ah. Et si je frappais à la porte? Bon, j'espère qu'on va avoir un final bien badass sa mère, quoi. Et qu'on va latter des gueules à coups de pompe. Je vais tellement vous botter le cul que mon pied va sentir le prout. Il y a des choses par là. Les boîtes. Examinez les boîtes.
So this is where they've been sending these.
Eh, pas mal cet éclairage. Coucou.
Bigby Wolf.
Oui, connasse.
The big bad wolf.
J'arrive. Je vais tellement péter ta gueule, ça va faire un gros puzzle. Chut, tais-toi.
They used to fear you.
Oh, mais tu vas avoir peur de moi dans une seconde, tu vas voir.
Anywhere their small shivering bodies would get.
Elle est top cette scène, franchement, la mise en scène et tout ça, top. T'es où, connasse? Ah, les contrôles s'emballent un peu là. Qu'est-ce que... Ah, elle fait des balles en argent cette pute. Elle a peur de moi?
Silver.
The big bad wolf. It's about time you showed up.
Et pourquoi je lui ai pas démonté la gueule?
Little errand boy. That's nice.
Ah, Bigby. I see you made it here in one piece. I do apologize, but I have some business to attend to. I leave you in the capable hands of my associate. Come find me.
Oui, je la réduire en morceaux.
Don't worry. This won't take long.
Get out of my way now. Don't make this worse.
Aw, he doesn't want to play.
I'm sure you'll persuade him.
Hey, I'm talking to you.
Didn't your mother ever teach you manners? Or was she too busy fucking whatever breeze drifted through town?
Qu'est-ce que t'as dit sur ma mère?
Oh, come on!
Merde. D'accord.
Is that the best you can do?
Raté, aïe. Ah, ça fait du bien. Ah, on fait moins sa maline quand ça s'est pris une tarte dans la tronche. Hein. Faut faire gaffe au miroir. Je vais t'éplucher comme une patate. Oh, ça sent le combat final. Oh. J'avance pas prudemment. Ah! Oh pute! Oh faut réagir vite hein. T'as peur de te battre en fait en face à face maintenant? Ah j'ai appuyé ou pas là? Ah d'accord.
Where are you? Come out and face me.
Ah je suis tendu que j'en peux plus là. Ah je savais que t'avais une sale gueule. Ah oui ça m'impressionne pas, moi aussi je peux le faire à gros hein. Aïe. Ah. Ça sent le Ben Vapeur. Merde, ah, il faut continuer. Bonk. On est tombés tous les deux. Ah cette scène est super tendue, top, top. Ah merde. Ah ouais. Tu triches un peu quand même. Ah. Ah ah. Elles sont un peu nombreuses. Ah putain c'est tendu, j'ai peur. Oh ah ah non 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 pipi. Mode Super Saiyan activé. Mégalou. Entends le rugissement. J'ai pas peur des briques verts. Qu'est-ce que tu crois faire? Voilà, super slam. J'en ai rien à foutre de ton cure-dent. Tu me chatouilles. Mais qu'est-ce que j'en ai à foutre de ton petit bâtonnet de merde? Coup de papate. Mais vas-y, venez à plusieurs, je suis Neo, tu es l'agent Smith. Je vais lâcher un gros. Oh oui, putain. Alors. Je t'aurai. Ah. Allez, viens. Toi, moi, combat final. Blah. putain, qu'est-ce que c'était bon cette scène. Maintenant je vais me rhabiller tranquille. T'es le prochain.
Hello, Bigby. You look tired.
Give me
C'est pas le moment de faire des traits d'esprit, je vais te démonter ta gueule.
This gun holds. I won't miss next time. Before you do anything with me, I thought I should point out a few things.
Je m'en fous.
Snow White wants you to bring me back to the woodlands, doesn't she? And that's what I want.
That's right. But what happens to you once you get there is a different story.
I'm not quite finished.
Je m'en fous en fait.
Bring me back alive.
Ouais, mais je suis pas totalement obligé non plus.
To speak for myself in front of the community.
Si tu veux.
And I'm sure Miss White would agree that I should be given a fair trial.
Ouais, mais t'es coupable.
I will have a trial. Are we clear?
C'est prévu, mais tu vas prendre cher quand même.
Look, there's no reason for us to be at each other's throats here.
That's funny.
Non, parce que je te démolirai quoi.
Pointing a gun at my head.
This is just a precaution. I'm sure you understand. I'm no murderer, Mr. Wolf.
Mais
I didn't kill those women.
Si.
And I think you know that. All I'm asking for is a chance to explain my side of the story.
Ouais. Mais c'est comme si Ted Bundy expliquait sa partie de l'histoire en disant qu'il était pas fou et un meurtrier quoi.
I'm a businessman, not a killer.
Si.
There's still a lot you have to answer for.
And I will, as long as you agree to my terms. Because I'm not saying another word until I'm brought before the community.
Oui, si tu veux, mais je t'aurai un jour quoi.
I don't mean to belabor the point, but just so we're clear, if you change your mind and decide to do something stupid, you won't get your answers. But you will have a difficult time explaining yourself to Miss White and the rest.
Bah, en fait, si je suis mort, t'es encore plus coupable de meurtre. Tu comprends ta logique?
And I worry you're not thinking of the. Let me ask you an honest question. What do you really care about here? Where this case is concerned, I mean. Do you really want the truth? Or do you just want to look like the hero?
This is about justice. I'm the sheriff. I have to do what's right. 2 people were murdered.
And you know who did it.
Toi, t'as commandité les meurtres en fait, ça te rend coupable.
He's dead, isn't he? My point being, the killer has been dealt with. You've won.
You really think I'm that stupid?
I understand you have an obligation to bring me in, but you can brighten up a little. It's over. So, shall we get going? I'd rather not dawdle.
All right, let's go. Hand over the gun.
I think I'd rather hold on to it, if you don't mind.
Ben là, en fait, tu résistes à l'arrestation.
Hey!
Voilà.
I'm sure Miss
Donc maintenant, tu vas m'obéir, petite pute.
Such a reliable pup. I understand why she wants to keep.
J'ai vraiment envie de le frapper.
You're under arrest. Be given a trial in front of your peers. And your punishment will follow.
En fait, c'est ce que j'avais prévu de faire depuis le début, puisque j'ai promis à Blanche-Neige de le ramener vivant, donc sur son marché de merde, en fait, il s'en fout, quoi. Puis tu mérites de te faire péter la gueule, toi.